Hey guys, welcome back to my another important video. Today I am going to show you how to change or reset your TikTok official password. First of all, open your TikTok official app and then tap on down right corner just profile and then tap on top right corner just three line button and then tap on just settings and privacy and then tap on just account and then tap on password. Select your password, at least 8 character and maximum 20 character. Now you can use maximum letter, number and symbol. Now click on continue. I have finally changed your TikTok account password. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.